Matthew here at the Matthew's Bushcraft YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be showing you 5 different hacks that you should know. Now the headlamp is on the milk jug. When you turn it the other way around, it makes a DIY lantern. Easy to make. Well, dry lint can be very useful because it's flammable. Catches easy. Look at that. And it stays lit for a decent time too.
You don't want to end up like this guy. Oh, what have I done? Ah!
First, what you do is, in between your middle finger and index finger, pinch the working end, one of the working ends, and then take it around your elbow, and then up your arm. Just like that, and then wrap it around a whole bunch of times. And once you get to about this point, or you want to make sure this end is not with all your coils, then what we want to do is fold your coil in half. The remaining of your rope, you wrap it around the entire thing. And that is how you neatly coil 50 foot plus of rope. Oh, I'm done tarp camping. It's gonna be a big pain to put this back in that small bag, isn't it? No, it isn't. And here's why. First, what you wanna do to properly fold this thing is you want to grab the middle of both of the sides. Then you bring the sides together like this. Then try to make the sides evenly folded. Then what you want to do is you want to search for the very middle of the tarp. Some tarps have a tile point in the very middle. Okay, I found it. It's right here. Now what you want to do is you want to pull it out. Just like that. Lay it down again. Do the same thing. When it's small enough, what you want to do is you want to fold it down as much as possible. Not too bad. Now, you may still have a little bit of trouble doing it, even with this technique. And it probably will take some practice to master it, but after you've learned it and done it for a bit, works like a charm. To tie the clove hitch, what you want to do is you want to take your working and make it go around the thing you're tying it to. Make it go around again, but this time cross it over the part where you first wrapped it around to make crossing lines. Come back around again. When you came back around, make it go under top of the crossing lines. Pull tight on both ends. You got yourself a clove hitch. Now this knot is very good for practicing ridge lines if you don't know any of the fancy ridge line knots. The bad news is that it can slip easy if you pull on it too tight. The good news is that you can fix that by tying a stopper knot. Thank you for watching, everyone. Hope to see you next time. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you'd like to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications on the Matthew's Bushcraft YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.